जय हिंद एवरीवन। वसुदेवं सुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु। कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु। कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, कंस और चाणूर का वध करने वाले देवकी के आनंदवर्धन वसुदेव नंदन जगत गुरु श्री कृष्णचंद्र की मैं वंदना करता हूँ।
Jai Mataji student, after finishing chapter 6 that is multiplication, today we will start chapter 8 fraction. Okay, before starting with this chapter, there is some points we should note. The first point is fraction is a number that stands for a parts of a whole object or a collection of an object. For example, one object, this is one object, that is apple. Here collection of object we have, means that is 2 apple. Okay, now the word half, quarter, 3/4, 2/3 represent a fraction. Half is written as 1/2, quarter is written as 1/4, 3/4 is written as 3/4, and 2/3 is written as 2/3. Third, fractions are written by looking at the total number of equal part and the number of the parts shaded or colored. This is an object, okay? Or if you watch this rectangular box, there we have 2 parts, one part and the other part. The first part is shaded, okay? So fraction says us number of shaded part by the total number of parts. We have shaded one part, that is we have written 1, and total number of part is 1 and 2, so we have written here 2. So our answer is 1/2. Next point is the number of shaded part is called the numerator. For example, this part is called the number of shaded part. अगर हमने जो part को shade किया है ये numerator. The total number of part is called the denominator. Total number of part कितना है? 2. 2 is called the denominator and shaded part is 1. So 1 is called the numerator. Now the numerator is always written above the denominator and is separated by a line. एक लाइन से हम लोग उसको दोनों को सेपरेट करेंगे. The numerator is always written above the denominator. Denominator के ऊपर numerator means first numerator then denominator. Fraction is equal to numerator by denominator. For example, 1/2. तो ऊपर वाला जो पार्ट है shaded part, that is called numerator, and the total part is the denominator. Numerator is always the shaded part and denominator is the total part. Okay. Now let us practice 8.1, page number 304. First one, divide the following figures into half by drawing a line. हमें half करना है. ये figures सारे whole में है. We have to divide it by a half. इसको हम यहाँ से ऐसे कर सकते हैं, तो दोनों half मिला, equal part. Now ये equal करने के लिए हमें ऐसे बीच से draw करना होगा. If we draw in this way, it is wrong. यहाँ पे हमें कम मिलेगा और नीचे पे ज्यादा, and that is not equal. Now here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 है हमारे पास. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, ऐसे लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, सो दैट 1 2 इधर मिला, 1 2 हियर, 1 2 हियर, 1 2 हियर, मींस हाफ हो गया, दोनों तरफ इक्वल हो गया. नाउ फर्स्ट काउंट इट, ठीक है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, टोटल 10 है. अब हम इसको बीच से अगर ऐसे लाइन ड्रॉ कर दे तो 1 2 3 4 5 हमें ऊपर मिला and 1 2 3 4 5 नीचे मिला. We will draw here sleeping line. Come to the next question. Tick the figure in which half of the figure is shaded. ये 4 फिगर है, इसमें से हाफ फिगर कौन सा shaded है उसको टिक करेंगे. In the circle half part is not shaded. बहुत सारे लेस देन हाफ को शेड किया है, तो दिस फिगर इज रॉन्ग. इसमें शेड ही नहीं है ट्रायंगल में, सो दिस इज आल्सो रॉन्ग. हियर इट इज शेडेड बट हाफ में शेड नहीं है. हाफ का होता है यहाँ पे शेड होना चाहिए बट नहीं है, सो दिस इज आल्सो रॉन्ग. यस, नाउ यू सी टोटल पार्ट 2 है, उसमें से 1 पार्ट इक्वली शेडेड है, सो दिस आंसर इज राइट. Now, come to page number 305, that is quick check. Okay, the first question. What are the total parts of a fraction called? Total part हम क्या बोलते हैं? Denominator, and the shaded part is numerator. So, total part is denominator. Second, how many fourths make a whole? 4 fourths make a whole. Okay? Now, how many halves make a whole? 2 halves make a whole. 2 halves means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 gives us 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means it's become whole. ये हो गया whole, means we got the whole part. Now, in the same way, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, if we take 4 times, so we will get the whole number. Okay? Now, the next one. That is, let us practice 8.2, page number 306, question 1. Write the fraction and the fraction name for the colored part. You can see the question in your note. Done well. The first question is, circle is given to you and the in this way it is given to you. Circle is given to you and circle is divided into 4 parts in which the upper 2 part is shaded. Okay? So in fraction what you have written 2 by 4 means 2 part is shaded and the total part is 4 and the fraction names comes as 2 fourths. Okay? ऊपर का क्या लिखा था 2 और नीचे आया तो THS fourths. In the same way the next part is given to you. Okay? 1 2 3 4 is given to you, in which the last part is shaded. So we will write shaded part is 1 by 1 2 3 4. The total part is 4 and the fraction names will be 1/4. Okay? 1/4. Now, in the C number, triangle is given to you, prism. Okay? In this, how many part is shaded? Now, shaded part. First we will write in fraction. We always write the shaded part by the total part. Shaded part is 1 2 3 and the total part is 1 2 3 4. So it is 3 by 4. So fraction name will be 3/4. Now the last one. The last one is now. How many part is shaded? 1 2 3 4 part is shaded. So we will write here 4. Total part is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So fraction name will be 4 and denominator में जो होगा उसमें हम TH लगाएंगे. So 4 6. Okay? Now the next one. Now the next one is write the fraction with. अब हमें फ्रैक्शन में लिखना है न्यूमरेटर 3 means numerator is always at the upper side, means ऊपर numerator होता है, by the total part that is called denominator. So numerator by denominator means 3 by 5. Here 3 part is shaded and total is the 5 part. Same way numerator 3 and denominator 7. 3 part is shaded and total part is 7. Third question, tick the shapes which are shaded 1 by 4. 1 by 4, 1 means shaded part. कौन से ऐसे यहाँ पे शेड्स है जिसमें एक ही पार्ट शेड किया हुआ है? ओके, फर्स्ट वन 2 parts shaded है, मीन्स इसमें हम टिक नहीं करेंगे. दिस इज रॉन्ग वन. हियर ओनली 1 part is shaded. राइट. 1 by 4 means total 4 part होने चाहिए. पहले हम देखते हैं 1 part is shaded. ओके, total is 4. 1 2 3 4. Yes. Here 2 part is shaded. 1 2 part is shaded. Okay, so it is wrong. We want 2 parts shaded. Okay, we want 2 parts shaded. So 1 2 3 4. Total is 4, but 2 part is shaded. We want 1. हमें एक ही पार्ट शेडेड पार्ट चाहिए और यहाँ पे 2 शेडेड पार्ट है. So this is not right. Here, fourth question. Tick the shapes which are divided into equal parts. There are 4 shapes. इसमें से कौन से equal part में divided है वो shape को हम tick करेंगे. This is a circle, but it is not divided into equal part. ये equal part मिल रहा है? No. In this, there is 3 parts are there, but in which 2 parts are not equally divided. Okay. In this third figure, triangle is given to you, but compare this two are not equally divided. दोनों equally divided नहीं है. In D, there are 4 parts and the 4 parts are equally divided. So fourth figure is the right answer. Question number 6. Here we have to write the fraction for the shaded part and fraction for the unshaded part. Okay, ये figure से हमें देखना है total कितने shaded part है. First we'll write the shaded part 1 2. So 2 is the shaded part by the total part 1 2 3. Now unshaded part कितना है 1. So we will write 1 by 3. In the same way, next question. How many is this shaded part? 1. So 1 by total part is 2. Now, which fractions for unshaded part is also 1 by 2. A और B मैंने क्या है आपको बाकी का आपको करना है. The next one. Encircle the fraction that shows the amount of water. Now, the total part of this tumbler, in this tumbler water is there. Total part is 4. Okay, so 4 part is there. Shaded part means पानी कहाँ तक जा रहा है? Second level तक. So 2 by 4. 2 तक पानी जा रहा है and total is 4. Next, write the fraction 9 by 10. Means 9 को ऊपर एक लाइन देंगे. That is the fraction 9 by 10 total part. 3/5 means 3 को ऊपर लिखेंगे. Numerator part is the 3 and the 5 is the denominator part. Rest you have to do. Same mental maths. Here also we have to write the fraction. Okay. Here what we will do? Here also same. 7 10 means the numerator part is 7 by the total part that is 10. 1 6. Numerator part is 1 and denominator part is 6. So here we have finished our latest practice 8.2 and you have to learn the table also and you have to do all these things in your LearnWell only and in the activity book. After finishing latest practice 8.2, today we will start with latest practice 8.3. Come to page number 309. Look to your questions. Now the first question. Rohit ate 1/4 of pizza that had 12 pieces. रोहित ने 1/4 पिज्जा खाया. कितना पिज्जा खाया? 1/4. रोहित ate 1/4. Rohit ate 1/4 of a pizza. Okay. Now that had 12 pieces. एक पिज्जा जब आया था इसमें कितने पीसेस थे टोटल? 12 पीस था पिज्जा का. ओके. नाउ How many piece of pizza did he eat? उसने टोटल कितने पीस ऑफ पिज्जा खाया? 1/4 मीन्स 1/4 ऑफ अ पिज्जा. तो टोटल पीस कितने थे? टोटल पीस कितने थे पिज्जा में? 12 पीस was there. 12 pieces was there is equal to 12. Total pieces of pizza you can write, okay? That is 12. Okay. Now 1/4 of pizza we ate. Number of pieces of pizza he ate is equal to, कितना खाया था उसने? 1/4. तो 1/4 of 12 which is equal to 1/4 into 12. 4 1s are 4 3s are is equal to 3 pieces of pizza he ate. Okay, did you understood this question? Rohit ate 1/4 of a pizza. टोटल जब पिज्जा हम लेते हैं इसमें कितने पीसेस आए थे? ये पिज्जा में 12 pieces of pizza was there. बट उसने पूरा 12 पीसेस नहीं खाया. उसने कितना खाया? 1/4 ऑफ पिज्जा खाया उसने. 1/4. ओके. सो रोहित एट 1/4 ऑफ अ पिज्जा. नाउ टोटल पीस ऑफ पिज्जा इज इक्वल टू 12. नंबर ऑफ पीसेस ऑफ पिज्जा ही एट. 1/4 ऑफ 12. हमें तो नहीं पता है 1/4 ऑफ 12 क्या है, तो हम उसको सॉल्व करेंगे. 1/4 आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो 1/4 इंटू 12 ऑफ मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई. ओके. सो 4 के टेबल में 12 कब जाता है? 4 1s are 4 3s are. तो 1 3s are 3. 1 का 1 तो इज इक्वल टू 3. ओके. सो रोहित एट 3 pieces of pizza. The next one. In a test, Nitin got 9 marks out of 10. What fraction of marks did he get? Okay, we have to write this one in the fraction. So, first Nitin scored 9 marks. Okay. Total marks is equal to 10. So we have to write in the fraction. So fraction is equal to number of marks scored by the total marks. So total number of marks is scored is equal to 9 by the total is 10. So our answer is 9/10. Okay. Now the third number. Nidhi has 12 books. Means total books is given to us. Total books is equal to 7. Sorry, it's 12. Now, and she gave half of them to her sister. Half. She gave. Nidhi gave half books to her sister is equal to, means half is written as 1/2. 1/2 of 12, which is equal to 1/2 of is into 12. 2 1s are 2 6s are 1 6 are 6 6 is the answer. Means she gave 6 books to her sister. Okay. Now, the next question. Fourth one. A comic has 60 pages. Means the total pages is given to you. Total pages in a comic is equal to 60 pages. Now, Rohit read is equal to 30 pages. Okay. Now, what fraction of pages did he read? Okay, we have to find the fraction. Fraction is equal to number of pages read by the total number of pages. By the total number of pages. So that is number of pages read is equal to 30 by the total pages 60. Okay, 0 0 got cancelled. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So we got the answer is equal to 1 by 2 is the answer. Now the last one. Fifth question. Ritik had 12 balloons. Total number of balloons. Total number of balloons. Okay. Total number of balloons is equal to 12. Number of balloon bursted. Number of balloons bursted. Bursted means further. That is 1 over by 6. Total number of balloon bursted means further. Now, so first we will take out the fraction कि कितना burst हुआ है. Fractions is equal to 1/6 of 12, which is equal to 1 by 6 multiplied by 12. Now, 6 1s are 6 2s are. So 1 2s are 2 number of balloon is burst. How many balloons are left? Number of balloons left is equal to total is 12 minus number of balloons bursted, which is equal to 10. Now, number of balloons is equal to 12. Number of balloons bursted is equal to 1 by 6. So, in fraction we will write 1/6 of 12, 1/6 into 12, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So, we got 2 number of balloons is bursted. Now, number of balloons left, that is equal to total minus number of balloons bursted. So, 12 minus 2, that is equal to 10. Now, the next come to exercise page number 310. The first question, that is MCQs. In MCQs, the first question is the numerator of the fraction 6 by 7 is 6 by 7. Which one is the numerator? 6 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator. So our answer is B, that is 6. Okay. Now, next one. What fraction of our national flag is orange? हमारे नेशनल फ्लैग में कितने फ्रैक्शन है जो ऑरेंज का है? तो 1 फ्रैक्शन. तो 1/3 मीन्स टोटल दिया हुआ है 1 fraction. Total is the 3. We have 3 colors and the orange one is the 1 color. So it is 1/3. Third number. The shaded part in the figure shows the fraction. How many part is shaded? 3/4 part is the shaded. This part is shaded, this part is shaded, and this part is also shaded. The fourth one. Nisha invited 8 girls to her birthday party, but only 3 of them came. Okay. Nisha ने 8 girls को invite किया था. Only 3 of them came. Okay. So, what fraction of girls did not came to the party? 8 minus 3, 5. So 5 girls did not came to the party. So 5 and the total number was 8. So our ratio will be 5 by 8. The next, how many 1/4 makes a whole? How many 1/4 makes a whole? Now, 4/4 make a whole. Now, how 4/4? Okay, chalo. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/4 means it is 1. So हम 4/4 टाइम्स अगर 1/4 लेंगे तो हमें एक बार 4 मिलेगा. Yes or no? Say 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 4/4. That is 1. Means 4 टाइम्स अगर हम 1/4 लेंगे तो हमारा होल होगा. Now next one. That is fill in the blanks. The first question is, there are dash fourths in a whole. We have done just now. There are 4/4 in a whole. The next one, in the fraction 6/10, 6 is the numerator. The upper part is the numerator and the lower part is the denominator. The fraction of 2/3 is, how we will write? 2/3. Now, next one. 1/4 of 36. 1/4 of 36 means 4 9s are 36. So we got it as 9. In a fraction, dash tells the total parts of figure. Denominator tells. Which parties tell the total part of the figure? Denominator. Okay. Next. In a dash 1/3 makes a whole. 3 1/3 make a whole. How 3? 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3, which is equal to 1, 2, 3. 3/3. So we got it as 1/3. 3 makes. Now the next one, true false. The next, true false. The first one, to put a collection in 4 equal parts, we divide the total number by 4. Yes, अगर हमें 4 parts में रखना है तो हम क्या करेंगे? Divided by 4. Suppose we have 12 and we have to divide it by 4. Okay, total part we have 12, but we divide the total number by 4. Okay, to put the collection in 4 equal part, अगर हमें कोई भी चीज को 4 equal part में रखना है total part से, तो हम क्या करेंगे? Divide by 4. The correct number mean of 3/7 is 37. That is true. 3/7 है तो हम इसे कैसे लिखेंगे? 3 7. Yes or no? So our answer is true. The third one, 20 halves makes a 10. Now 20 अगर इसको हम हाफ करें, which is 1/2 से, तो 2 1s are 2 10s are. So we are getting 10. So yes, this is also true. The next one, a fraction has a numerator and denominator. This fraction is having the numerator also and having the denominator also. Yes, true. The last question, a fraction is a number that stands for the whole of a part. No, that stands whole of the part. No, fraction never stands for the whole of the part. ओके तो उसको हम फ्रैक्शन ही बोल सकते हैं. होल ऑफ द पार्ट मीन्स 1. तो ये फ्रैक्शन है? नो, फ्रैक्शन इज ऑलवेज रिटन इन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. So we have finished our chapter here. Now as we following you have to do all the exercise you have to do in your LearnPad, and latest practice 8.3 you have to do in notebook. So next video we will do the revision. Till that, bye. Thank you.